Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Victoria Lee here. If you're wondering why I'm wearing this Coca-Cola shirt in today's video, that is because Morphe just came out with a Morphe X Coca-Cola collection. Yes, Coca-Cola and Morphe did a collab, which I thought was so fun and so interesting. So I thought, why not just buy the entire collection, make a video, and do first impressions with you guys and use the products today. So I'm going to be going over all of the products that I bought from the collection, and I'm going to be using all the products in the collection to create a look. So if you want to see how I got this look using all of the Morphe X Coca-Cola collection, keep on watching. Let's jump right in and talk about the products that I got from the collection. I actually bought 5 of the 6 products that they offered for the collection. So let's go through them right now. So the first 2 products that I bought are these 2 little highlighters. So they're loose highlighters and I got them in the shades Pop It and Bubbly Babe. So I'm definitely gonna try these out. Just quickly going through what I got. Got this little brush collection. As you can see, it's really cute. It's in like this little Coca-Cola thing, and there are 7 brushes in this collection, so we're definitely gonna use these and see what these look like today. But their little lip kit, there's 4 lippies right here. They're all lip glosses, so I wanna try all of them out for you guys today on camera and see what they look like, what they smell like. Do they smell like Coca-Cola? I don't even know. And I got this palette. So I'm gonna open everything as we go and as we use them, but I just wanted to show you all the products that I did get. They also had this little beauty blender collection, but that was already sold out by the time that I bought these products, so this collection was going fast. I'm pretty sure it's limited edition, and I'm really excited that I have them and can use them. So let's get started. So I think the first thing I want to do today, which I don't usually do first, is my eyes, and then we'll go in with the highlighters and the lippies. Let's go in and open this Coca-Cola palette. Thirst for Life Artistry palettes, and it looks like this. So it's the Coca-Cola colors. Then you open it, a really different kind of color story. The names are also so cute. For example, Fizz, Bubble Up, Always Bright, The Real Thing, Name Drop, Add Life, Refreshing, Energetic, all like cute little Coca-Cola slang. I'm not quite sure what I want to do today, but definitely want to use our new brushes for our eye look. So let's also open up our brushes. So like I said, there are 7 brushes. Ooh, and here they are. Let's open them up. So here are our 7 brushes, and first impressions, I think they're so cute. The little handle kind of reminds me of like a Coke bottle. It has like that kind of little curve. They're all eye brushes, but it came with also this little fan brush, which is really exciting because I never actually bought a fan brush. I always just used other big fluffy brushes for highlighters, so I'm excited that we can use these for our loose highlighters. And yeah, I'm going to use all of these, or try to use as many as I can for our look today. I think they're really cute, very on brand for Coca-Cola. It says COCA COLA X MORPHE on them, and I'm excited to try these out. The first thing I always do is take a bone colored shade and put it all over the lid. So I'm going to take this shade right here. I don't know the shade names on the top of my head because they're all on that little sheet that I had, which I don't even know where I placed it. It's really nice because it has like this huge mirror on it, which is great. Since the palettes are so affordable, it's nice that there is a mirror so that you can look in and do your makeup, especially if you're on the go. So I'm just gonna pack that little bone colored shade on both of my eyes. And this is just to get a base for the eye to make sure everything's going to blend smoothly and together. Maybe we'll do a little red moment. I'm a little scared, but hey, that's like the fun of it anyway. So I'm going to take these brushes. None of them have any numbers on them. So first go in with a nice little brown color. I'm gonna go in these 2 brown shades, and I'm just going to put that onto the corners of the eye. Holy pigment, I was not even expecting that. Wow, usually I don't get that much pigment and I have to keep going in with brown shades, so that was really nice. This again is just gonna deepen up those red colors that we're gonna use, and we're gonna put those red colors over top, but I just want to have like a little bit more of a darker base because those reds, I have a feeling, are going to be pigmented and bright. By the way, first impression on these brushes, they feel really nice. Are synthetic, so they're nice and light, and they're blending really nicely. They're so soft on the eye and yeah, they're doing what they're supposed to do. So happy about that. I feel like this red is the Coca-Cola color, and then we have this a little bit deeper red. So let's just go in with the Coca-Cola color, and you can already look at that brush and see this is going to be pigmented. So I'm going to be pretty light-handed, but I am going to tap it onto the outside of the eye, and then start to blend. Put it exactly where I just put that brown. And I'm honestly really liking the way it's blending out. It's not like really chunky, which I know reds could be pretty chunky, so I'm really impressed with the way that it is blending out so far. I've done both sides of the eyes with that light red color, and now what I think I want to do is deepen it up even more with this small little pencil brush here, and I'm going to go into that deeper red and just put that right in the corner. I'm not sure if this will even make a difference or come up, but I just want to use as many of the colors in this palette as possible to give a good review. I'm actually just going to go in with a deep shade then, like one of these browns. I'm thinking I'll start off mixing these two, place that in the corners right here. I'm just going to press, and this is also going to just deepen up the look. I'm just putting it right in that corner and a little bit in the crease, but I'm not going up near the brow bone. And I'm even going to deepen up a little bit in the corner of the eye as well to make everything match, since I'm trying to create a bit of like a halo look. I think I'm going to stop here, and we're going to go in with a shimmer in the middle of our eye where I didn't really put any. Mixture of this blue that I did really like, and then this like frosty shade. Oh, the camera's not picking it up well, but these are two like shimmery frosty shades. So what I'm going to do to make it really pop, and I've done this before in my other videos, is I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to carve out the area where I want to put those shimmers. Put some in that little center. And what I'm going to do is mix those two shades, so these two shimmery shades, with this flat brush that I got from the collection. I'm going to spray the brush because, like I always say, that makes the colors come out a lot more vibrant and helps it stick better. And I'm just going to go back into those shades. And flat brushes are really good for this type of application. So I just went in and I just deepened up the corners again after that little halo look, and I'm really liking how it looks so far. It's different and it's fun, and it goes with the whole Coca-Cola vibe. Happy I went with red. I'm just gonna go back in with that pencil brush and go in with this little brown shade right here in the middle, and I'm going to put that underneath my eye and smoke it all together. So now that I've done that, I would like to go into my brow bone, and I think I'm just going to use this shade that we used before. I think that I almost used every single brush in the collection so far, which is awesome. I'm just using a slightly smaller brush, not part of the collection. I'm gonna go in to the inner corners and make those inner corners really pop, because I'm really trying to get it to pop. Wow, okay, so as you can see, this side I sprayed my brush, this side I didn't, and look at the difference. This side is popping, and this side's kind of just like, eh. Since this look is so dramatic on its own, I don't think I'm going to do any eyeliner, but I'm gonna go pop on some lashes, and then I'll be right back because we still have the highlighters and the glosses to try. The lashes are on. This doesn't have to do with the Coca-Cola collection, but I did want to mention that I used the Ardell lashes. They look like this. They're the CVS brand, and I used the DEMI Wispies. I like a more natural look for my lashes, but everybody has their own preference. But I know in my last video, somebody asked me how I get my eyelashes on so easily, and I really just want to give a shout out to this tool. You can get these on Amazon for literally $2. They're like an eyelash tweezer, I believe. You can just type that in, and this has helped me just put them right where they need to be, straight on, and it's honestly been a lifesaver, especially if you have nails. At one point I had tips on my nails and I could not get these eyelashes on, so I bought this little guy, and it's really been helpful and just gets them right where you want them to be. And I know eyelashes can be a pain to get on, so I just want to throw that in there. Let's move right along to highlighters. I'm really excited because I've never purchased a loose highlighter before. This is Bubbly Babe. So it looks like this. So loose highlighters have the same kind of component as like a powder would, where it has the little holes, and that's how you get the product to come out. Oh, look at all of that just coming out. This is more of like a champagne-y gold color. So let's just apply it honestly to the look. I just put a little bit in the cap, and I'm just gonna go in with this fan brush that it gave me. Apply it to our cheekbones. Wow, that looks really pretty. It's not like too bright where I feel like I overdid it, but it's really nice. I'm gonna put a little bit on to my forehead. For the sake of the video, why don't we do the other color, which is Pop It on the other side. So this is a bit of a darker color. Oh, that's also so pretty. Honestly, they almost look the same. This one I feel like pops a bit more than this one. This is Pop It, and this is Bubbly Babe. So far, all of these products have been such a win for me, but I don't want to speak too soon because I still haven't tried the lip glosses. So let's go ahead and do that now because clearly our lips are lacking some color. The lip kit came with 4 different little glosses. They all say Coca Cola on them. These are what they look like. I'm gonna go ahead and try on all of the shades for you so you can see what they look like on my lip. Why don't we go in with Overflow first and see how that looks on the lip. So they're kind of mini. They're like all little mini glosses. It's a little bit sticky, not as lightweight as I like in a gloss. It's just a really sparkly gloss, nothing crazy, but it looks nice. It'd probably be a nice topper if you have like a deep lipstick on your lips. This would be like a really nice, beautiful topper because it is so sparkly and it goes kind of with the eye even, honestly. The next shade that we will try will be Tastemaker, which is this taupey brown color. So let's see how this looks on the lips. So this is Tastemaker. I really like this color. It's like deep and really shiny. It's so pretty. I would definitely wear this out. I don't even think you need a lipstick underneath because it is so vibrant and it has a color to it. So this is a win. I do prefer this over Overflow, but like I said, this would probably be really pretty with lip color underneath. Also, this last one that I just put, Tastemaker, feels a lot lighter on the lips, which I do prefer as well. So the next gloss that we will try is Share, which is this nude color. I mean, it's not every day that you see a nude gloss. So this is the nude gloss. There's no sparkles in this gloss like there is with the last two. These are super sparkly, and this one is more of, I want to say matte, but it's a gloss. There's just no sparkles in it. It's really nice. I like the color. I would definitely wear this. Like, this is something that you can wear every day. Even if you're wearing no makeup, you could just throw this on and walk out the house because it is so subtle, but still gives you that nice like glossy look. Last but not least, I want to try the Classic Babe. This also is a gloss that has no sparkles in it, and I want to try this last because our eye look is red. This is Classic Babe. For a gloss, this is definitely a lot redder than I thought that it would be. I don't usually wear red lips. I used to when I was a lot younger, but I'm more into these subtle glosses and nude type of lip liners these days, so I don't usually wear red, but I mean, it goes with our eye look. It's definitely like this classic Coca-Cola red color, so it fits perfectly into the collection. It's really pretty though, and it's really light. It's nice. I do like it. Out of these 4 colors, I liked Tastemaker and Share the best, these two. And these two were also really nice. Actually, I think I'll even put some of Tastemaker on top of this to make it sparkly, deepen that red up. So I just put some of Tastemaker on top of this, and I really like how it looked. It deepened it up a little bit, and it's just really cute and nice and makes the whole look cohesive. This is really the finished look today, guys. I am so impressed with this collection, and everything that I bought was honestly a hit for me. I liked every single product that I used. My favorite product that I bought would probably honestly be the palette. The colors just blended so beautifully, and I really like the story. You can do everyday looks, you can do a little bit of a pop of color here and there, and the mirror was great. The size is really nice. I just really liked this, and I will put all of the products down below in the description so that if you want to go check it out, you can. I know this is limited edition, but I believe they are still selling the entire collection, so if you want it, get it while it's out because I don't know how much longer it will be out. I really loved everything. I think my second favorite would be these highlighters. I love how natural and glowy it made my complexion look. Loved the glosses and I loved the brushes. I really cannot complain about one thing in this collection. The only single thing that I can complain about is that this one singular lip gloss was a little bit sticky, but that's really not a big deal. I can definitely get over that. I had so much fun making this video and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It would mean so much to me. These videos are so much fun and I really enjoy creating new content for you guys. So if there's anything that you would like to see, definitely give a comment down below, or even comment down below your favorite product that I used in this video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.